Finally, a ClearSpan designed and approved by rental professionals nationwide. We interviewed, researched, and videotaped numerous installations, and the key points were crystal clear. The new system had to be simple, strong, and special, and only the eSpan from Eureka delivers.
We kind of went through and saw what the ClearSpans were out in the market now and how can we improve on that. We got the group together, all the rental dealers actually visited their shops, saw how they store their product. We went right from how they load it on their trucks. How can we make it easier? How can we get product pluses? How can we get innovation in a ClearSpan?
Until now, ClearSpan choices were limited, and the expense to order, inventory, and install the structure left many rental companies out of the fold. Eureka's new eSpan helps simplify the process from beginning to end. But don't let the easy installation and traditional ClearSpan appearance fool you. This is one tough tent system. Our world-class design team made sure that eSpan was developed to meet 90-mile-per-hour code loads. What does this mean for you? It means that eSpan can be set up virtually anywhere, even in the strictest areas of the country. You've heard us say it many times, but it's true. When it needs to be truly special, it needs to be Eureka. And we're proving it to you once again with the eSpan. Your customers will notice the difference, and they'll keep coming back for more.
Well, after more than 30 years in this industry, there's one thing that I've learned, that the only thing that separates those companies that make money and those that don't is those companies that are able to control their labor costs. Eureka in their design had that in mind.
When it comes to simple, Eureka has you covered. When we make a product, we don't just copy something off the shelf. We bring practical or meaningful innovation to the table. And we didn't miss the boat with the eSpan. The eSpan was designed to stack nicely and evenly inside a box truck, and the longest part is only 20 feet 1 3/4 inches long, so you'll be able to fit your eSpan into the back of a 22-foot box truck. One of the most notable differences is the measurements. The eSpan is measured in feet and inches. Your crew will be able to measure and mark out the base plate using imperial measurements, and all the bays are 15 foot on center. That's so much easier than trying to measure out 5 meters or 16.5 feet. Layout for the eSpan is fast thanks to the base plate guides. You can see the cutout notches in each base plate for easy measuring. Just line up your base plates with your tape measure, and it's simple to square. As you begin to build your tent, your crews will love the simplicity. The eSpan only used 2 different pins, no bolts, no tools. The eSpan doesn't require any tools or buckets of bolts to install. We've reduced the number of different pins needed throughout the entire system to just 2, each with the same linchpin style fastener. And for in-the-field ease, these standard pin sizes can be replaced with nuts and bolts found at any local hardware store. Other key features that make the eSpan clearly simple are the use of interchangeable components. Simply add a few rafter extensions, roof cables, and top fabric panels, and you've got a new size tent. You can take your 40-foot wide to a 50 or even a 60-foot wide. Uneven ground? No problem with the eSpan. Our adjustable leg inserts adjust easily without having to use unsightly, cumbersome shims and blocking. Another key feature the installation crews all love is the Easy Glide crown. The crown is designed to give the tops a gradual and smooth flow through the Keter channel and across the peak, significantly reducing the chances of getting the tops hung up or stuck at the peak. Less stress on the crew, less wear and tear on the fabric. Clearly simple. When you're ready to install the gable ends, don't worry about hiring a genie lift or climbing unsafely on the top steps of a tall ladder. Another unique feature of the eSpan is the PVC gable connector piece. From the ground, your crew can easily slide in the gable fabric, then push the PVC gable connector up in place and fasten with the buckles on the fabric.
What we like about the eSpan is it's just really easy to keep
keep everything together in the warehouse, and also on the job site, you don't have guys losing tools, being how there's no tools really used on the E-span. You've got a pin and a cotter pin, and that's all we're really using to put this thing together. Everything else can be done by hand.
We put together a world-class design team to make sure the E-span is one of the strongest tents on the market. Everyone knows that an aluminum box beam extrusion is one of the strongest, and the E-span is no exception, with some serious product plus. The concave and convex beads that run the length of each rafter not only make stacking and storing simple, it helps channel water away from the tent tops and down the beam. Strong yet surprisingly lightweight inserts for the leg to rafter assembly aid in the ease of installation while making this one strong tent. Each E-span has been field tested and meets all the requirements of the new ASCE code of 70-mile-per-hour sustained wind with 90-mile-per-hour gusts. Engineering drawings and blueprints come with each tent. The E-span system was designed with input from not only tent professionals, but lighting experts, sound experts, decor consultants, and event planners. Eureka understands that each job has tight time constraints, and a special system can help you create the perfect special event. You'll clearly see a difference in the finished look of the E-span. The 23-degree pitch is preferred by many event planners across the nation. The steep pitch means better weather protection and more interior height for lighting, decor, and AV applications. And like most other Eureka tent products, the E-span includes patent-pending features that help with installation, accessories, lighting, and decor. The specially designed T-channel in the bottom of the box beam, on the rafters, and on the legs works perfectly for adding accessories like lighting, liners, and decor, eliminating the use of unsightly zip ties or tape. Another unique design feature that sets the E-span apart from other conventional clearspan systems is the wire management tray. This patent-pending feature consists of a specially designed tray that easily attaches to the T-channel on the bottom of the rafter and the legs. Wires from lighting and AV equipment can be tucked cleanly into the tray, hiding the cords from view, and again, eliminating the use of zip ties. Not only does it look good, it saves hours of labor time during lighting installation. And when the installation is complete, lighting and decor are installed, and the event is ready to begin. Your customers will clearly see the difference. The clean interior of the tent, beauty of coated or laminate tops and sidewalls, the tightly tensioned sidewalls, the beauty of the complete E-span system will have your customers singing its praises and coming back for more.
Typical tents are at 8 feet, and some of our tent companies in this area even rent them at 7. This is a unique and safe structure. Tomorrow they're actually calling for 40-mile-an-hour winds. This is one of the only tents in our inventory I won't be worrying about tonight.
Every event you do is special, and each event is different, with a different set of technical needs, decor trends, and the vision of the event planners. You need a product that is as versatile and easy to customize as each of your events. A product that looks good and functions great. You need the E-span. Give us a call today to learn more about how E-span can fit into your inventory. You won't be disappointed.